Powered Parachute 5.5 Pre-Flight and Ground Operations. Let's delve into the critical aspect of line overs, a potentially hazardous situation in powered parachute wings. A line over occurs when the wing line takes an unexpected detour over the top of the wing, rather than following a straight path from the wing to the riser system. This obstruction hampers wing inflation, crucial for a safe flight's airfoil formation. Proper wing inflation is vital. Hindrances jeopardize the necessary aerodynamics for safe flying. Addressing this obstruction ensures the formation of a secure and stable airfoil for flight. Attempting takeoff with a line over presents grave risks, including severe injury or fatality. It's a highly perilous situation that compromises the safety of the flight. Taking off under these conditions significantly heightens the risk of accidents, emphasizing the need for immediate resolution before proceeding. Recognizing a line over before takeoff is imperative for ensuring your safety. Detecting this issue beforehand prevents potential hazards during flight. Prioritizing this identification minimizes risks, emphasizing a proactive approach to safety measures. Watch for twisted lines on either or both sides of the wing, indicating a potential problem. Recognizing this twisting serves as an essential visual cue for identifying a possible issue before takeoff. Being vigilant about these signs helps preemptively address any concerns for a safer flight experience. Ensure to closely examine the leading edge and top of the wing for confirmation. Thorough inspection of these areas is crucial for identifying any potential issues or irregularities. This close scrutiny validates the wing's condition before proceeding with flight preparations. Spotting a line wrapped over the top signifies a line over issue. This observation confirms a critical problem that needs immediate attention before proceeding. Identifying this occurrence is pivotal for ensuring safe flight operations. Certain practices, like using the stacked method during wing staging or hastily stuffing the wing into the bag, can inadvertently lead to line overs. To correct this issue, carefully pull the fabric of the wing through the loop created by the line over. To determine the correct side to pull the non-compliant suspension line to, trace it back to its home line group left or right riser before making adjustments. Now, let's shift our focus to the critical phases of your powered parachute journey. Preparation for takeoff and post-landing procedures. Post-landing. Evaluate the landing field, especially considering the unique behavior of the powered parachute wing. When sharing the field with other aircraft, adeptly taxi the powered parachute away from the active area while keeping the wing kited. This maneuver ensures safety by moving clear of operational zones while maintaining control of the wing. Skillful taxiing minimizes interference and promotes safe coexistence with other aircraft. Mastery of ground taxiing with the kite is crucial, and your flight instructor ensures you've honed this skill before takeoff instruction. As you land, vital. Release the wing's flare, curbing sudden flights. Essential post-touchdown. Deploy flare, averting unexpected liftoffs. Crucial upon landing. Flare's release halts inadvertent ascents. Urgently shut down the engine to prevent the propeller from contacting the wing, which could cause serious damage. Prioritize safety to avoid potential severe consequences. Grasp the steering lines, pull the wing to the ground, and complete the deflation process to avoid potential hazards. Clearing the runway is a best practice, especially if landing at the center of a runway. Taxi to the edge or off the runway, keeping the wing inflated. Continuous taxiing straight into the wind facilitates a safe collapse of the parachute out of the way of other aircraft. When it comes to parking, choose a location that shields the powered parachute from the propeller blast of other planes. Be mindful of the engine's residual heat, and never assume bystanders are aware of the potential danger. Once safely parked, disable the wing to prevent accidental liftoff, and assist your passenger in disembarking from the cart. By adhering to these procedures, you ensure a safe and efficient journey in your powered parachute. Post-flight procedures are an integral part of any flight, marking the conclusion of the journey. Ensuring the engine is properly shut down and the aircraft is secure is the responsibility of every pilot. This post-flight phase begins with the pilot conducting a meticulous inspection of the aircraft's general condition after the engine has been turned off. Once the passenger exits the cart, it's time to engage in a comprehensive post-flight inspection, including a check of the overall aircraft condition. For subsequent departures, it is prudent for the pilot to recheck the oil levels and add fuel if necessary. If the powered parachute is going to be inactive for an extended period, a crucial step is to properly stow the wing back in its bag to shield it from the sun's damaging effects. The meticulous packing of the wing significantly impacts the ease of unpacking for future flights. Ensuring a methodical approach now will streamline and simplify the unpacking process when preparing for subsequent flights. Prioritize careful packing to facilitate smooth and efficient unpacking in the future. This process, as discussed earlier, involves careful folding and placement of the wing back into its bag. Whether with or without passenger assistance, the pilot takes responsibility for neatly packing the wing for storage. Collaborative efforts or individual action ensure a meticulous and secure storage process for the wing. This step not only streamlines the pre-flight process for the next flight but also provides an opportunity for a thorough post-flight inspection of both the wing and suspension lines. After disembarking from the cart, the wing is repositioned in an inverted layout, with the cart or prop hoop positioned close to the trailing edge of the wing. Line sleeves are replaced on each set of suspension lines, and any exposed lines are neatly arranged on the lower surface of the wing. Starting from one outer trailing edge, the wing is folded multiple times on each side, resulting in a long rectangle of wing behind the cart. The pilot then alternately folds the sides of the wing towards the center, expelling trapped air from the fabric. Once completed, the wing is folded into a neat square. With the folded wing on the ground behind the cart, the wing bag is placed on the ground next to it, ensuring consistency in orientation with a marked side facing up. The wing is then carefully pulled into the bag, and the pilot, following the manufacturer's recommendations, picks up the bag, gathering the line sleeves on top of the wing. The final step involves loading the wing in its bag onto the cart for taxi and storage. By meticulously executing these post-flight procedures, the pilot not only ensures the safety and integrity of the aircraft but also contributes to the efficiency of future flights.